Lock project. Here is a really practical tip for preventing accidental or unwanted changes to a project, for example, after submission. When it comes to safeguarding your data, you can lock a project or go a stage further and apply a project password. Here's an introduction to the useful functionality of locking a project. Simply clicking Lock on the ribbon toolbar will lock the project and convert it to read-only mode. You will see a small padlock icon appear down in the bottom right-hand corner here to indicate the project has been locked. Locking a project allows other users to freely navigate and review the project without inadvertently making any changes. They will still be able to make changes if they first navigate to Project Properties and click on the lock icon to unlock the project. And again, the icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen will indicate the project lock status. You can think of project locking as a simple read-only toggle. In order to apply a lock or a password to a project, there are a couple of prerequisite conditions that must be met. First, there can be no editable windows in edit mode, including the Project Properties window itself. As soon as you put the Project Properties window into edit mode, you will see that the buttons will grey out. Secondly, you also need to be the only user working on this project on the server that you have connected to. And that is an introduction to the easy and convenient lock project function. For more information, see the knowledge base article linked below this video. If you have any further questions, we'd love to hear from you. Contact us on our 24/7 support number or via email. We're happy to help you with ways to improve your workflows and efficiency and to help make your estimating faster and more accurate. Contact us and find out how we can help.